Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a little Christmas tutorial. Well, it's really like Christmas slash like New Year's, like you can wear it for either day. But when I tell y'all this is my favorite makeup look I've ever done in my entire life, that's what the fuck I mean. Like, I look so fucking good in this red lip. Oh my god, I'm like glowing. Oh my goodness. But anyways, so I'm just doing like a simple eye. It's like really not a lot of work to do. I'm just like blending brown. It's three different browns, like the three different browns I just showed you guys. So I'm doing the deepest one in the crease, and then the second one I'm doing like to blend, to going towards my brow bone, and then the lightest one is going like right underneath my brow bone. And then I'm going to apply white eyeshadow. It kind of looks silver, but it has a little glitter in it, but a white base. And then I'm going to apply glitter over it, all white glitter. I have an iridescent glitter, but I'm doing the all white glitter for today. Then I'm going to just, do my eyeliner, super dramatic wing. You don't have to apply my lashes, you know. And with this look, it's like, it's really a beginner's look. Like, I feel like everything I do is like for beginners because I don't have my makeup license yet. But like, I feel like I try to do everything that, beginners can do. That way it's not too difficult for you if you want to do this look. I want you to be able to accomplish it. So if you just pay attention to everything I'm doing, you should be good, sis. Period. Okay, now, child, this foundation color isn't my shade, but it's the only one I had, so I was gonna have to do because I'm a pro at this shit, so I made it work. I made it look good. But make sure you use your right foundation color. Sometimes you have to mix them, but this is literally the only foundation I have in my household. And I done this makeup tutorial like at like 12 o'clock at night. So like, yeah, I was stuck. But I made it work. Okay, and last but not least, my favorite lip combo to ever exist during my existence since I've been born. Like my existence on this fucking earth. Like I've tried so many different lip combos and this is my favorite. It makes your lips look so sexy. It's like they're just saying like come to me, kiss me. Oh my god, like bitch. It's like grown woman sexy. Like like yeah. But oh my god, like this is my favorite lip combo ever. Like you have to cop it if you don't already have it. It just makes your lips look so juicy. And I kind of like overline my lips by mistake because I actually didn't use a pencil to line them. So like when I filled it in, I kind of went overboard with it, but I made it work. I feel like it looks good. It might look like I got fake lips, but like it looked good. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit, but I did good. I did good. Yeah, you guys. So this is the final look. I'm just brushing my hair a little bit. But please subscribe, like, and comment. And tune into my next video. It's going to be like a fill-in tutorial for my nails. You guys will love it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.